Given the standard form of a sine function, y equals a sine of bx minus c plus d, complete the summary in the table below. So amplitude is going to be which variable? Yeah, it's the absolute value of a. And what does a tell us? Well, first it's at the beginning of the equation, so is it horizontal or vertical?
Vertical stretch or compression.
Very good. So there we go. It's a vertical stretch or compression. But what is the definition of amplitude? Do you remember? It is going to be
distance from the midline.
It's the distance from the midline to either the top of the curve or the bottom of the curve, okay? So it's going to be half the height of the wave. How can we find our period? And what is the definition of a period?
How long it takes for the whole...
How long it takes to repeat itself. So it's the length of one full cycle of the wave. What is the phase shift? Yeah, that's the same as a horizontal shift. So it's found by taking C over B, which I think somebody was about to say, or it's the same as our H. So it is our horizontal shift. Bless you. Left or right. And also, so you know, it's going to be our first x value in our table. Okay, and then our vertical shift. What is that? That's D, or what we called our K, right? And so, yeah, that's the vertical shift up or down. And also, remember, this is our midline, which is also sometimes called the axis of the waves. In case you hear that, I think I've said it a few times, but our curriculum calls it midline, which means, you know, when we looked at a lot of the graphs, they're centered on that x-axis. But if it's moving up and down, that center is going to move up or down. So that is going to be where that is happening at. So like if it was a +3, the center of our graph now is going to be up at 3. So our midline moves up to that number as well. All right, so which expression in this table would change if our function was tangent or cotangent? Yeah, the period would change. What is the period for tangent or cotangent? Pi over b. Good. Now, there's one other thing that only sine and cosine have. What is it? That's up there. That the other functions, the reciprocals and tangent, don't have. Amplitude. Okay? Amplitude is the height from the center to the top or the center to the bottom of the wave. If the wave if it doesn't have a top, if it keeps going up, then it can't have amplitude.
You know, generally, if everyone misses a question, teachers throw it out.
Yes, but not everybody missed it.